Hi guys! So I'm vlogging today. So I actually just finished filming this hair care routine. Um, the lights kind of change. So yeah, but my battery died, so I had to charge it, and I actually supposed to the lighting kept changing. But anyways, I supposed to film two videos, one for my hair care routine because lots of you requested a hair care routine, and then I supposed to film a second videos about a makeup look for a vegan makeup subscription that I received, but it's 1 o'clock already, so I have to sleep and maybe I'll just film it tomorrow. Hi guys! Oh my god, sobrang pagod ko. Actually, nakapag-film ako ng dalawang video today. Isa is yung unboxing and then yung isa is makeup look. Yun naman yung kalat. Ganyan pag nag-film. Kalat. Pero sobrang pagod ko. Actually, nakatulog ako sa couch with this makeup on. So, I reviewed this foundation, yung bagong foundation from Maybelline, yung Super Stay Full Coverage. It's actually really good, guys. Pero dry kasi ako, so I'm still have to play around dun sa mga mas hydrating na primer. But it was good so far. Happy Saturday, guys! Kami lang dito kasi si Chris may meeting ng maaga. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung snow sa labas. Ayan, ang kapal ng snow. Kita nyo? Ito yung sa kabilang window. Grabe yung snow. So yun, magla-lunch lang kami tapos mag-get ready na para pagdating ni Chris, alis na lang kami. Hi! What you doing? Good morning, Micah! Good morning! How are you? Happy Saturday! Cooking for lunch! Yay! Weekend, si ate nagluluto.
Instead of my rest day is your rest day.
Naka-short siya. Winter na winter. Kamusta naman?
Bakit ka? I feel summer.
What are you cooking?
I'm frying first before I make it adobo. Wow.
Coffee! Yun na yung adobo.
Yung adobong maitim na maitim.
Ay, itlog. Ang daming sabaw.
Kaya nga nasobrang.
So, may adobo at saka broccoli. Yan, kape.
Kape pa mo, typical Filipino food.
At saka Filipino style, may kanin sa gitna ng lamesa. Picture siya para sa Instagram. Oh. May ilaw pa eh. Kailangan talaga may ilaw. What's showing fire? This baby takes 2 hours to finish her lunch.
You wanna be on my vlog?
Hi guys!
magigit ready ako. Pero share ko lang sa inyo. Tingnan nyo yung kuko ko natanggal. So, press on nails yan siya. Ito yung gamit ko ngayon, yung focus pa siya. Yan. Yung Kiss na brand. And few days pa lang siya, natanggal na siya sa kamay ko. So, it comes with itong mga sticker na to. Or yung glue. Pero ang ginamit ko ito yung maximum speed nail glue. Pero natanggal pa rin siya kasi naghuhugas ako ng pinggan. Pero mas gusto ko yung Impress Nail ba yun? Impress Nail na brand kasi at least yun 2 weeks siya bago natatanggal. At least 12 days. Ito, few days pa lang tanggal na. Yan. So, sinuot ko lang siya nung Wednesday nung nag-film ako. Pero natanggal siya. So, it comes with, yan, 28. So, if you're looking for press-on nails, I suggest yung isang brand, yung Impress Nail. Do yung pagkakaiba nito, kasi yung Impress Nail, makapal talaga siya, pero ito, manipis lang siya. Which is, okay lang, pero sa akin kasi, marami ako masyadong ginagawa na tingnan mo. Sisira siya kaagad sa akin. Yeah, so mas bet ko talaga yung Impress Nail kaysa dito. If you guys use press-on nail, let me know kung anong brand ang ginagamit nyo. Papakita ko sana sa inyo yung brand na yun na sinasabi ko kaso wala na ako. Naubos na lahat. So, kaya tinry ko to siya.
Little OOTD, just a simple shirt from the Freedom Project, long sleeve, and then a leggings from the garage. Really simple.
Daddy's gonna fill up the car, okay?
I'm gonna be quick. I'm just putting concealer.
Picture, Daddy.
Oh, okay.
Mylin?
Oh yeah, this also
They're all
connected. Winners and Homesons. So hindi mirror. Hi, Be.
Trying to get product that's not too expensive. Yeah, budget friendly things for someone like me who likes to buy stuff.
Cute na mga brushes nila dito.
Boston pizza.
You eating lemon? Oh, what's that?
Wow.
What is that, Micah? Is that a helmet? Yeah, nice. We'll get some
You go like this, and
salt
you
and
dip inside.
pepper wings, vegetarian pizza. Now, what is this?
A pea.
Pepperoni,
No, pierogi.
pierogi, spicy pizza, lasagna.
They call it the devil's anus.
What's that? Myla? No. And then baby Micah. What do you have, Micah?
It's a small. What do you have?
What do you have?
What is this?
What's that?
Good girl.
Wow.
So good! Ah! Can you face that picture?
What?
Be so good! It's so cool!
It's so cold.
What's a baby? Did you see a Micah?
Yes, and she's talking. A very talkative baby.
It's
Micah,
so,
give me your jacket,
so
please.
good! Ah, so good. Look at eyes. Be so, be so good. Hello, I want the tea. I will make
Stilted. Stilted.
Try. I want to look.
Can you see yourself?
Wee!
Mama, excuse me. Daddy's got to be the star of this movie. Star have become.
Whoa!
Okay, wait. Okay, I love you. Now you stay down here. Good girl.
Not yet. The carpet still not clear.
Hey guys, we are home from Boston Pizza and Winners.
Yeah, after shopping, after doing my favorite thing to do.
It's so cold.
It's so cold. Yes, it's
I'm gonna
so
close this
cold.
vlog. Thank you guys for watching.
So
Say,
cold.
Micah, thank you for watching.
You say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
He will get
Oh my goodness. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Whoa. Bye.